What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day outside and it's a great day to work on E30s. Today I'm going to work on the new E30. I'm going to clean it out, try to get some of the junk out, sort out where I'm going to start on all this, and probably take off those terrible bumpers, and we'll see where it takes us. Let's go. Okay, took about 5 minutes to strip that trunk out. Just pull this wheel out. Oh God. Oh God. That's terrifying. God damn it. Ugh, I hate ants so much. Before all of this, I hated ants.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Oh, cool. Some sort of weird expansion tank. That's probably trash. Coolant hose. It's pretty full of gunk. Timing belt instructions. Some taillights. The fact that it was Duralast parts on the timing belt terrifies me. Here's what we got inside. It had actually a dash cover, but it's kind of torn out. Spare center console. 2 of these actual shift boots. The tail lights, the interior tail lights, this trim piece, the oven cleaner, and the emblem, a bunch, along with some of the trash, obviously. God, you know, I thought I got all the ants. I really did. I was hopeful, but God damn it. Ugh. God damn it. Ugh. Oh God. Oh God. Gotta get out of here. Oh fuck. Tell me you guys see that. Let's look at this. Oh my lord, so many fucking ants. I gotta start vacuuming. You know, it already looks 1,000 times better. It's come a little while. Those ants, whew, yeah, that's giving me the heebie-jeebies thinking about those ants, and there's so freaking many of them. But got more work to do. A lot of days, a lot of bending over and strained backs trying to get shit out of this trunk and stuff like that. I didn't get the bumpers off today like I wanted to, but you know, one day at a time. It's gonna be a really cool build. This was disgusting, but I'm glad I got that sorted out, and I'm glad I got the infestation down. Oh, if I never see another ant in my life, it'll be too soon. Peace out, guys.